407 Wild again. This time Garbage Pail Kids. Used to collect them back in 85, 86. A little bit in 87. It's a 2024 pack. I think it's a value box. So, you see what you can get here. It's called Kids at Play, 10 packs. Sometimes 8 to 7 cards per pack. I wouldn't mind the 7 cards because I guess it comes with a special card. But you could look for exclusive puzzle sketch cards and other good things. And you'll see how it goes. Of course, I got to open the package and get the packs out. So let's rock and roll. Got this from Amazon. GPK, Garbage Pail Kids. Let's start cracking. Okay, let's see. Anything sealed up? Nope. I always like to keep the box to keep the cards in there because I don't got time to put all this stuff in one box or whatever. One cardboard box. I will bring out some of my 86 ones. I found a few the other day. Nothing in the box. Here go the packs. About 10 packs. Alright. This is what the pack looks like. Go ahead and pull them all out, and then we're going to go ahead and go through it. I just ripped through the packs. All of them here. Rip. Wasted paper. I guess you could recycle it, but here go the cards. Gonna go through them. I already see a couple of them, the special cards, the green gross borders. Barf and Barbie. Luna Balloon. This is the, what you call it, a special gross border one, or a green border, whatever they call it. Phony Fisher. Clay Claw. Just gonna go scan through them. I believe these are all 2024. Different one, Babby Gabby. It's gonna be a lot of duplicates. I can already tell. Special card, green border. Florida's Lava. Different one, D&D. Be nice to get a sketch card or an autograph card. Reached out to somebody, last name Gross, he's an artist. Trying to get some of his cards. He has them for sale on his Facebook, but he hasn't gotten back to me yet. Jack Attack, pretty cool one. PD Pop, weird as heck. Tate Ball. Like I said, I got these from Amazon. Connected corner. Here goes another special card. Green border. Phony Fisher duplicate. Wanda. Funko. Green border. I'm sure these are stickers anymore. They're probably just cards now. I never in my life, even the 86 ones, never peeled out a sticker. I was always trying to collect them, but throughout the years. You know, the white gets brown or yellow or whatever through the age and whatnot. Borders look big for a puzzle or something. Nice one, Peter Paper or something. There's another green border, Whack Wayne. I think that's all you're really going to see. Nothing spectacular from this. Alright, it's the dude on the box. Toy Brock. Nothing special. Sky's Guy. Jug of War. Okay, something's coming up. Dr. Derek and Poppy It. Let's see what's special about that. Nothing yellow border. Might be something unique. Telephone. Tip Top. Sometimes showing these cards can take long as heck. Willow Fight. Another green border. Oh, nice one. Artwork's pretty cool. Last but not least, Tempolino. Nothing spectacular. Just a lot of these green borders and one yellow border. So, see anything you like, make me an offer, and I'll gladly get it out to you or whatever. We can talk, negotiate, whatever the heck you want. Thanks for watching. Great artwork. See you next time. Peace.